Hey guys, it's Megan, and if you're new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscription button down below so you can be subscribed to my channel and join this awkward little internet family. And if you're not new and you're already subscribed, please hit that bell next to the subscription button and turn on notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Monday and Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this super colorful, it's not really that colorful, it's really just 3 colors, but this fun spring eye makeup look. It's pretty simple, it's fun, I like it. I think it's like perfect for the springtime and just like, you know, the greens that are starting to show and the yellows and the blue skies that have been hiding all freaking winter. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this eye makeup look, keep watching. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to apologize if you can hear that crappy loud ass music that the football stadium is playing, but this is the most convenient time for me to record the voiceover for this video, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. So I've already done my brows and face makeup, so I'm just gonna start off this look by priming my lid using my original Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm blending that out with my finger. And next, from my Morphe 35C palette, I'm taking this white shade on a blending brush and using it to set that primer. And I'm also running it along my lower lash line. Now I'm taking this yellow shade from the same palette and blending it out in my crease. With my finger, I'm taking this cream shade and placing it on my brow bone. Next, on a much smaller brush, I'm taking this green shade and placing it on my inner half of my lid. I'm using patting motions, trying to avoid any fallout. On another small brush, I'm taking this teal shade and placing it on my outer half of my lid, while also blending it into the yellow, so there isn't such a harsh transition. Now I'm taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade 604 Milk and placing it on my lower waterline as a base for the eyeshadow on top to show up brighter. Going back to that green shade from before, I'm placing it on the outer half of my lower lash line, which is the opposite from where I put it on the top lid. Then I'm going to take that teal shade from before and I'm going to place it on the inner portion of my lower lash line, but I'm making sure it blends well into the green. And don't mind me wiping away my fallout. Next, I'm adding a wing with my e.l.f. Expert Liquid Liner in the shade Jet Black because I look like poop without a wing. To finish off this makeup look, I am taking my Wet n Wild Megavolume Mascara and applying it a little bit carelessly because I ended up getting it on my lid. But we can just pretend that didn't happen. So this is the finished eye makeup look and I think it's real cute. I think that it's super wearable if you wear a light blue something or a light green or light yellow even. It's not that hard to find colors that work for eye makeup look like this as long as you know what colors work together and what colors don't work together. I opted out of wearing lipstick for this look just because I'm not a big fan of wearing lipstick, to be honest, because it makes my lips chapped and I play the clarinet, so especially on Mondays and Wednesdays, I can't wear lipstick because I got banned later and I'm just gonna have to remove it. So yeah, this is my finished makeup look. I think it's really cute and super fun. So yeah, like I mentioned in the intro, if you're not already subscribed, please do that and join my awkward little internet family and help me hit 350 because I'd like to hit that number. That'd be real cool. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a big thumbs up and also comment down below what kind of eye makeup combinations you want me to try because like most colors will go together as long as you blend well and look for good techniques because some colors don't look good with eyeliner and some colors do look good with eyeliner. So just let me know what kind of makeup looks you want to see me do or any fun makeup looks really because I haven't been doing enough makeup lately and I want to get back into that. And if you're already subscribed, please turn on notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Monday and Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you want to stalk me outside YouTube, my social media handles are right there on the screen. I have Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, and Tumblr, and those are the places where you can stalk me outside YouTube and I won't be uncomfortable with it. That's pretty much everything for this video. Yeah, I love you and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!